What is up, guys? Today I'm gonna be showing you how to fix tweets that aren't loading right now. So if you have like a problem on your Twitter, make sure to check if you have the same problem on Instagram and Facebook and all the social media that you have. But if you and make sure also to go to Google and search for anything. It could be anything. I'm just going to open this. Just search for anything on Google, okay, and see if you have fast internet connection, okay. But if everything works on other social media apps, that's probably because Twitter may be down right now. So this is just a temporary issue on Twitter. But here is exactly a few steps you can do to make sure that the issue is not caused by the Twitter itself. It may be because you don't have like the latest version of the app. So you want to go to App Store or Play Store, whatever phone you are using, and search for Twitter. And after that, what you want to do, guys, you want to just update, okay. You want to update your Twitter. For me it says open because I already updated the app. And see, okay, after you update the app, see if the problem is fixed or not. If it's not fixed, you want to go to settings. Okay, if you are using iPhone, let me show you exactly how you can do this on iPhone first. So you want to go to settings, like I said, and go to general and click on iPhone storage. After you click on iPhone storage, you want to search for Twitter, okay. So here is Twitter. You want to click on Twitter and then click offload app and click again offload app and wait like a few seconds. It doesn't take long. And after that, you want to click on reinstall app, okay. This will take like 20 seconds, 30 seconds. It depends on your internet connection. So after you reinstall app, after you click on reinstall app, you want to turn on your phone, okay. Turn it off and turn it on again. That's exactly how you can fix this problem and see if it works. Please let me know in the comments if this works or not. If this video helped you, please drop a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next video.